Are you? He's gone.
Forest has taken him.
What do you mean by that?
We have to hurry.
Yume, it's here.
You saw its eyes? Not just the glow, the way they burn into you, like they're searching for something deep inside.
I could feel it before I even saw it. That presence pressing in, and the boy, the way he looked at me, like he knew exactly who I was.
The boy who died. He's not here by accident. That's a warning, Clara, and you should listen.
There, look, right there. Do you see it? Before it slips away.
It's showing you the way. That means it's chosen you too. And once it does that, there's no turning back.
Chosen me for what, exactly? And don't tell me it's nothing, because I can see it in your face.
If you don't step away now, you're walking the same path Pip did. And you know how that ended.
Whatever it wants, it's not getting me over my dead body.
Run! Run! Clara, get to the shrine. There's still time to save Pip.
They are blind.
The hell they are, you beady-eyed bag of bone buzzard. Holy moly, you're one ugly bastard. Now what?
We shall meet again.
Holy moly, history. Trying to unlock the mystery. What in the world is this sorcery? Holy moly, history.
We made it, Moly! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe!